Hello and welcome back to another episode of my series Aperitif in Pairs, where I make drinks and nibbles that work well together. And this week I've got a super quick and easy recipe to celebrate pomegranate season, and it looks beautiful and impressive. Perfect for the party months ahead. So we start off by mixing in a bowl 2 tablespoons of crème fraiche, the zest of an entire lime and a bunch of dill. I couldn't be bothered to get the chopping board out, so I just snipped the dill straight into the bowl with some scissors. Then we're going to stir in the juice of half a lime and keep the other half for our drinks. Give it a little taste to make sure you're happy with the balance of dill to lime, and if so, we're going to work now on the consistency. So crème fraiche starts off quite spreadable, but because we've added that lime juice, we've made it a bit liquid. So what we're going to do is whisk it to get a nice whipped cream consistency, which will sit really nicely on a piece of bread and will be airy, light and beautiful. And that's all the hard work done. We're ready to assemble. I've gone with the timeless classic rye bread because it goes so well with dill and smoked salmon, but feel free to switch it up. I've toasted it so that it's nice and crispy, topped it off with the crème fraiche and the smoked salmon, and arranged a few garnishes around it so it looks ready for a party. So now we're ready to make our drink. We're going to pair that with a really nice sharp mocktail using pomegranates, lime and some tonic water. So the hardest part with this drink is juicing the pomegranate. It's not really the most squeezable fruit out there, so if you want to make this extra easy, then you can buy pomegranate juice. But if not, just grab a in-season pomegranate. They're full of flavor, nice and sharp and really juicy. Just cut it up into little segments, and then I've used a lemon squeezer to really get all the juice that I can out of them. But just look at that color, I'm obsessed. Then to make the drink, I'm adding equal parts pomegranate juice and tonic water on ice with a little squeeze of lime to finish it off. If you don't like tonic, feel free to swap it out with sparkling water, and that also works really nicely. I feel like the color of this makes it look really special. Little garnish of lime, and yeah, it's as nice as a cocktail. It's really sharp, but the flavor of the pomegranate is lovely. I find tonic works well because the aromatics go really nicely with the dill and the smoked salmon. But all together, these balance out really well. They look really nice, and it was so easy to put together. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more every week.